Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. I'm going to highlight a Thrifty 2 today. We've seen the 1 and the 3 Thrifties on the video channel. Now I wanted to show you a Thrifty 2. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 533 square foot home, 14 by 40. This is a 14 wide frame, so it has a 2x4 wall. This is going to my friend Aaron's mobile home park. The new countertop, glacier quartzite. We did a laminate backsplash here. We did a microwave over the range. This home is perfect for a lake getaway, or if you're building on your property and you need something to live in the meantime, this is perfect for that as well. We've got an electric range. Remember, all appliances come standard electric, but we can upgrade to gas, whether it be natural gas or LP propane. Doesn't matter to us, it's the same price. Walking down the hallway, we're going to see the first bedroom here. (30 by 61) window in the hallway. That does tilt in for easy cleaning. Then we've got the furnace next. We've got Casper Cashmere VOG on the wall. That's a vinyl over gypsum. Gypsum is the material, the drywall product. It's 3/8 of an inch thickness. Here we've got a cottage back door. Lots of light coming in through those windows. Here we've got the bathroom. We've got plenty of room to do a walk-in shower if you choose to. We've got a commode. We also offer elongated commodes if you're looking for a different style. This is a new thing for this year. We've got black doorknobs. We also have the option of adding black handles to your cabinetry if you want. 2 panel doors here. Last but not least is the master bedroom. We've seen this before. This is one of 3 floor plans where you are going to have the washer and dryer in your bedroom, but if you're putting this on a lake property and you need us to remove those, we can. So this is a nice simple home, small in size if you need something that's easy to move around and good for your wallet. This is the Thrifty 2. I've got to give a shout out to my friend Lene. She was here yesterday and made sure she let me and Brittany know that we were doing our videos with our phone upside down. So we want to give you guys a formal apology for that. And we're striving to get better. I appreciate you guys. You've been with me since the beginning, and it's only going to get better from here. So remember, if you want to take a tour of the facility, my email is in the description below. Also my phone number. I'm the Mobile Home Mama. Thanks for watching.